Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and sniff the Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum Eau De Parfum Intense gift set. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum Eau De Parfum Intense Men's Fragrance gift set. And taking a look around the sides of the box packaging. And at the back or bottom of the box packaging, there are some details of the contents of this gift set. So there is a 75ml bottle as well as a 10ml spray bottle. Now let's go ahead and open it up by sliding the box sleeve off. And we can set that to the side. Let's set it on the left hand side of the frame. And just repositioning the box in the middle of the frame to give you a nice clear look at this Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum Eau De Parfum Intense gift set. So you can see that it does have a gold and black finish to it. And now let's go ahead and open it up. But of course, lifting the lid off from the box packaging and just giving you a look at the underside of this gift set box. And just setting the lid on the right hand side of the frame. We can now take a direct look inside this gift set. So as you can see, the gift set includes two spray bottles. One is the 75ml bottle on the left and the other is the 10ml bottle on the right. So just giving you a nice full view of both items of the gift set, nested in its red velvety tray insert, and giving you that close-up look before I start handling it. So you can see that shiny and matte black bottle shaped in a men's torso, and that 10ml compact small spray bottle on the right. So you can see both bottles have that dark black and glossy golden trim to it. And now let's pop the 75ml bottle out from its tray insert. And I'm just going to set it on the left hand side of the frame and pop the other bottle out as well. So it's the 10ml spray bottle, setting that on the right hand side of the frame and just checking through to see if there's anything else in this gift set that might be tucked away or hidden somewhere. So just going to try and lift that insert out. Okay, so the insert appears to be nicely set in that tin tray or box, and just checking through right there, there doesn't appear to be anything underneath, or it's not designed for the insert to be removed. Okay, so now just setting that box closed with the lid back on and setting it on the right hand side of the frame so we can focus on these two bottles of the gift set, the 75ml Jean-Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum Eau De Parfum Intense in the same 5ml as well as the 10ml bottle right there in the middle of the frame. Okay, so giving you a look close up at both bottles and their designs. Right there, you can see that the main same 5ml bottle has that signature torso styling or design with most of Jean Paul Gaultier's men's fragrances. And right there, giving you a thorough look at both items. And you can see that very familiar pull ring preserver that's keeping that neck of the spray pump bottle secure, and giving you a look at that 10ml stick as well, or spray bottle. Right there, all the high contrast glossy black as well as the matte black against that golden trim at the top of both bottles. And in terms of material, the 10ml bottle has a glass body, plastic cap, and the same kind of shiny gold trim on the spray. But looking at the main same 5ml Eau De Parfum Intense bottle, right there, giving you nice detailed looks. And I'm just going to shift that 10ml bottle to the left hand side of the frame so that we can focus on this main bottle right here with its iconic male body form. And taking a look at the underside or bottom of the bottle, some details right there. Up close and trying to show you as best I can by adjusting the light on it. Right there, straight on view at the bottle. Okay, so now let's pop that pull ring off the neck of the pump or bottle and just setting that down, and now giving it a couple of pumps of the spray bottle. So the initial smell, it does have a nice woody yet florally combination, which is slightly thick, and as it dries down, it does have a slightly warmer note to it. So nice and delicious with a bit of mystery and sexy undertones to it. So there's a slightly seductive and slightly woody smelling to a kind of light soft scent. So that's how I would describe that couple of pumps of this Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum Eau De Parfum Intense on my wrist. So that's the Jean Paul Gaultier Le Male Le Parfum Eau De Parfum Intense Men's Fragrance Gift Set. Thanks for watching and happy spraying!